Welcome to this video, guys. Snowman here. Appreciate you stopping by. So I'm doing another video here on the vintage knife modifications. These are vintage. This one is an Explorer Master 21032. This one is the Imax. These were made vintage 1980s in Japan, and they followed suit with what Buckmaster 184 did on the pencil tangs that are threaded. So I have a video on here. If you go back 4 or 5 videos or so, there's a video where I'm talking about these two knives, where I'll show you I made these custom tang pieces that fit right on here that go over that tang. I had these welded, so I just got them back, so I thought I'd throw this video on here. And they did an outstanding job on the welds. So tomorrow I'm going to grind these down a little bit, sand them down actually, and get them where these guards will go on and slide on. I'll drill a hole, 1/4 inch hole. We're going to have these locked out with aero grade titanium pins, so they'll be built back just like I do my enhanced mechanical hole tang attachment system on my SnowTac models. Really thick tangs. And these are really, we were talking about today, me and my brother, and these things are just really strong now. So I asked him, compared to if I actually had a tang there, which these are 6.8 mil, if I actually had a tang here, now that we welded this, what's going to be the comparison with me actually having a tang? You know, what kind of strength am I looking at here? And he said the way the weld does, it molecule wise, it bonds the two metals together, so there's not much difference, but you're still going to have a little bit of, he rated it at about 98, anywhere between 95 to 98% strength of what it, if you had a full tang, which I thought was pretty impressive. You can tell they're really solid. So I'll grind them out tomorrow and get them smoothed up and get them ready. These will end up, I'll have to cut these down. So we're going to go just under 2 inch, these tangs. And just so you guys know, since I'm modifying the tangs, I'm going to go ahead and modify the serrations. I'm going to angle them just a little bit more, and I'm going to do the modern counter sawback serrations. This one here, they just didn't even angle their towers. They got them straight across. So I'm going to angle those, and I'll do the counter saw. That would be really nice. And on the back of these guards will be stamped STK mod, MOD. I'll put the year 2025. That was the year that I did the STK modifications on these. So you'll know that if you ever run across these out there. Hopefully this video will still be up years down the road. It'll be long after I'll be long gone. And maybe somebody will look this up and they'll be able to see this. They might own these knives. But yeah, they're going to be a hell of a lot stronger. And I'll re-sandblast this one. The black blade, it's fine. There's no problems with it. But I'm going to get all these cleaned up in the morning, get these ready for, I'm going to drill holes, get them all ready to get them mounted. So I'll have the liquid cold weld 5000 psi compressed around these huge tangs and the titanium pins. And we're going to have a hell of a mechanical hold there for these vintage knives. So appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and post this video, but I'll do an update on this. I'll show you guys the sandings, and I'll show you everything right before I go ahead and get them attached. So we'll have another video of that. I appreciate you. I'll catch you later.